All right, so I'm here at West Acres Bowl for the city tournament. I'm gonna throw it as hard as I can the entire time today because yesterday, hooking it was not the play. So I'm throwing it as hard as I can, straight-ish. I know I don't play that straight, so straight-ish. And yeah, we'll see what happens, but comment down below what you guys think I'm gonna shoot for the 3-game set. I averaged 248, if that's any hint to you. Yesterday, I shot 743 or 733 in team. So comment down below what you guys think I'm gonna shoot, and yeah, let's head into the bowling alley and start this team set. I expect you to carry the team.
We'd also like to thank West Acres Bowl.
Coming in at 251, you should.
I averaged 251. However, yesterday I averaged 206.3.
Shot 944 for our game 1. A couple more of those and we'll have a chance, but yeah, 258 for me. We're gonna need some more strikes. We're gonna need to hit our average one of these games. 980 is the average. We're gonna need to hit it one game and then have another like decent night. But yeah, Jay's making a ball change, Jared's making a ball change, so and I'm just gonna stand in the same spot and do the same thing and hope for the same result. That's what we do. Jared's bitching about the fact that if I don't shoot 250, I'm off the team for next year.
Spinning's not bad, guys. It's not.
If you can use it, it doesn't. Ashland, that was high flash.
.665 with 180 the last game.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Still haven't got my ass.
I'm like, that looks as good as anything. We're just gonna keep doing that.
That's what.
Oh yeah.
5 into the 7, my guy.
Fail out and house shot.
The split.
Oh, the arrow was really flush. I thought, ooh, that hooks, you know, more than expected. Fine. And then the missile definitely not right there.
That's the weird part.
Alright, that game was a little more of a grind for us. A couple 220s, 230, 250 for me.
Is there such a thing?
Yeah, there is such a thing as a house shot grind. We shot 926 that game. I had 250 again. Jay-Z had 230. Yeah, I was just struggling. Gotta make some changes and shoot like 1,000 here if we want a chance to win. So we have lots of strikes to throw. Told me the sharing is caring.
Yeah. What is carrying? I really have no money.
The problem is, I change balls too much instead of just throwing piss missiles to the pocket. Instead of changing balls, I throw missiles. I've already thrown every shot as hard as I can today, so I just have to throw it harder.
That ball gets about 3/4 of the way down the way.
Alright, well that recaps it for me. That was the city tournament team squad. I bowled with a bunch of friends. I shot like 750. We had some other decent scores, close to 700. But yeah, it was a little tough there for game 3 for the rest of the guys. For me, I shot 230 something my last game. But yeah, hard and straight was clearly a better play than yesterday. Yesterday I had some shots that just like tricked me. Today, you know, I might have gotten a bad break, couple 7 pins, you know, a bad shot here or there. But a good day today for me. Lesson learned, straighter is greater. Throw missiles to the pocket always. That's the new house shot play. So yeah, learned a little bit, had some fun, bowled with some friends, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.